Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about one of the most important topics that has been doing rounds since the Nipah virus outbreak in Kerala. That is it safe to have palm sap of fruits? Does palm sap of fruits cause the deadly Nipah virus infection? Before we go into that discussion, please subscribe to our channel Win Public Service for the latest updates in current affairs and also important news updates. Let us go through a series of facts about Nipah virus before answering a question. So you must know that Nipah virus is from a family called Paramyxoviridae and it is a zoonotic. That means that it is transmitted from the animals to humans. One of the major reservoirs of Nipah virus are fruit bats or Thyropodidae. The virus commonly infects the fruit bats. The bat that is infected with the Nipah virus comes in contact with the pig when it resides in the shed that is made for the pigs. The secretions from the bat fall on the pig and the pig gets infected. When the human, who is the rearer of the pig, comes in contact with the pig, he also gets infected. The other way the human can get infected is by consuming the fruits that have been eaten by the infected bat. Once the human is infected, he transmits the infection to his close family and friends. This has been the trend of infection in Malaysia and Bangladesh in the years 1999 and 2001 respectively, and also probably the cause of infection in Kerala in the year 2018. The patients who have been infected with the Nipah virus have symptoms of high fever, they are very confused, drowsy, they complain of severe headache. They also have symptom of nausea and vomiting, and they also have symptom of abdominal pain. They usually are very tired and bedbound. The symptoms of headache and confusion and vomiting are known as encephalitis. These patients need to be admitted immediately to the hospital for treatment. So the next question in your mind is, how do I vaccinate myself and protect against this virus? Sadly, as of today, there is no vaccine available for Nipah virus. So when somebody gets infected, although there is no specific medicine also, we support the patient by means of IV fluids, isolating the patient, providing breathing support with ventilator. In case they have a kidney problem that has come, we support them with dialysis. Then drugs like paracetamol for the fever, and in case they have high BP, antihypertensives are also started. The next thing that we do is prevent contact with the patient, and there are some things called universal precaution which are specifically followed by the medical staff while in contact with the patient having Nipah virus infection. The test for Nipah virus like ELISA and RT-PCR are only available in big centers in the country, and so the sample usually has to travel a long distance. But during the Kerala outbreak, great efforts were taken to process the sample very fast and get the reports immediately, and subsequently a lot of casualty was prevented in that way. So coming back to the question with which we started, can palm sap of fruits cause Nipah virus infection? It is highly possible, especially if the palm sap of fruits have been in contact with an infected bat. At the same time, you must know that most reported infections have been when the human has been in contact with the pig or the bat which was infected. So it's best to avoid exposure in those areas. Also, when somebody is infected, it is better to admit them to the nearest good medical center, isolate them and support them so that they get better from their illness. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Win Public Service. For the latest updates on current affairs and also for the latest updates on health related issues. Thank you.